If your Dell laptop's camera is not working, then watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply fix it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So the first step is that you want to make sure that your camera's privacy shutter is not locked. So most Dell laptops often have this privacy shutter, so you can simply slide it left or right in order to close it and open it. So make sure it's not locked. That's the first step. Then the second method is that you want to make sure that the camera is not disabled. So in order to do this, go over to your settings, click on the Windows icon, then click on settings. Once you do that, go over to the privacy and security option. And then what you're going to do now is that you're going to scroll down and locate camera. So scroll down and locate the camera option, which is this one right over here. Click on it. And then what you want to make sure is turned on. You want to make sure that the camera access option is turned on. So make sure this option is on. And also make sure that this option that says let apps access your camera is turned on. And then you can simply select the apps you want to make sure are using your camera. So make sure you select the app you want to make sure is using your camera. Make sure you turn it on. That's the second method. And if that does not work, the third method is that you can simply go over to the start menu, right click, and then locate device manager, which is this one right over here. Click on it. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to locate cameras. So select cameras and then expand it by clicking on this arrow right over here. And as you can see, it will show you all your integrated webcams or cameras. So depending on how many you have, you want to click on it and then right click and click on uninstall device. Then you can just unconfirm the uninstall device by selecting this uninstall option. And then what you're going to do now is that you're going to restart your laptop or PC, and that should easily solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful or it helped you in any other way, comment down in the description below. Comment down in the comment section below. If it did not work, comment down if it's not working. But with that said, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in future tutorials.